Oh. Ugh. Yo, we are going to be reacting to two short horror films. The first one is called The Meat Pile. If you're new, subscribe to your boy. Uh. Oh. Oh. Oh, that. Oh, okay. Starting off at a good note, I guess. What is this? This is nasty. Oh. You broke it? Okay. Ugh. Oh. Oh no. That's nasty. Oh. Who's there? Why are you built like this? Oh. Oh, that's nasty. Uh. Uh. What? What are... Who is you? Yep. Oh. 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 Ugh. That's disgusting. Oh! Oh! Oh, okay. Oh. Ugh. Did you just make it more stronger? What did you do to this? Oh. 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 Ugh. That's disgusting. Next one is cooking with DORA.
Welcome back, dear friends, to Old Time Below Show, Cooking with Dora! Don't you think something is missing? That's right, Dora is missing. Let's call her all together. Oh, Dora!
I said all together.
Oh, Dora!
No.
I said all together! Oh, whatever. Oh, Dora!
Hey, hello, children. It's me, Dora. Dora.
Oh.
Oops, head oops.
Okay.
Sorry for that. Anyways, let's get straight to the bottom of this.
Oh, that's nasty.
Straight bottom. Right? Yeah. Already got into position for your mommy. I'm all hot, booty boot.
Ugh.
Relax your butt cheeks. Dude, boy. You know what they did in Roman Empire to the boys like you? And today we're gonna cook 24 karat Dubai chocolate gold love. I wanna eat rich children. The recipe is very simple. We need some balls, round testicles.
That's nasty.
Yum, yum.
That's not.
Some goat's liver and
What?
my favorite onions.
Dora, I think you got the recipe wrong.
Shut up, you monkey, or I'm gonna stuff your fucking a-hole in those bitter onions! And trust me, it's gonna burn like the first time! You understand? Good! You got me all fatty.
This is
Now,
nasty.
help your mommy cool off a little bit.
Ugh.
Faster if you don't want them to end up in your ass!
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that's better. Now, where's the... Oh, yeah. First, let's cut up some onions. Sing with me. Cutting onions very fun. I aborted my first son. Even though onion makes me cry, you can
Swiper.
just do it while you're high. Oh, no, you again. Don't you touch my onions! Swiper, no swiping. Swiper, no swiping. Swiper.
Don't you remember what I did to you last time?
Huh? What?
change of recipe. Now we're cooking a fox of an asshole full of onions. Alrighty. Now,
This is nasty.
we make the dish until fully cooked. And while it's in the oven, we can stretch our bags. Get ready and repeat after me.
Oh,
And 1, and 2, and 1, 2, 3. Stretching out very far. Oh, mama.
close your eyes.
Oopsie doopsie. I guess the uniform was a bit too tight on me.
No.